Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aniket and welcome back to another video. This is another Elementor tutorial and today we're going to look at the Google Maps element in Elementor. Google Maps element is basically used to show your location of your office or your clinic or your gym or whatever institution or something you have, to show that location on your website so that people can easily reach to you. This element is used. So today we are going to know how you can add this to your website and add your location. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Okay, so now we are on the computer screen and now you just create a test page for something, or you can directly do it on your website. So basically, as I said, this element, Google Maps element, is basically used to show your institution or your clinic or your gym or your hotel or whatever you have or your office on your website, so that if someone wants to reach to your location, they can easily find it and go to your location. So for this, Google Maps element is used. So in Elementor free version, you have this element right here, which is Google Maps. So you just drag it on your website right here. So as you can see, so this is the Google Map and it's a bit long. My laptop screen is a little small, so that I have to do that. It's 13-inch, but if I have a bigger screen, you would get the full view. Alright, so now by default its location is London, but now you have to set your own location. But if you go to location and you see you don't get any options and you have to type the location on your own. So to solve this problem, you just go to Google and search for Google Maps. Okay, so now we are on the Google Map and now you just need to search your own building location. I don't have my office right here, but I need to search something. So let's say I search Puri. I live in Odisha and Puri is a really famous temple. So I just search Puri. Let's say my office is located there. You can be more detailed in which street or whatever like that, but for the sake of reference, I'm just going to take Puri. Alright, so now this is the location. Okay, so I just going to copy this. Okay, and I'll go to Elementor and delete this one location and paste this, and you just need to wait some time and then your location will be set here in this Google Map element. See, your location is set here now, and if someone visits your website, he or she can just go to click on this view larger map. You will redirect it to the Google Maps page and you can easily find your location, or just click directions and it would show the directions in Google Map. Alright, so now this is done. You know how to add your location. Now from here, you just, how do you operate on your Google Maps? You can just do like that. You can zoom in or zoom out, and after that you also have an option here, zoom. From here you can by default show your map very zoomed in or zoomed out. Let's say your zoom is set at 10, but I want more, so let's say I set it to 14. So now as you can see, the map is quite zoomed in and other locations around Puri are also visible. Okay, but if I reduce the zoom and I took it to 5, so map will be very zoomed out. Okay, you see, I just come to Odisha, India. So this is very easy thing. Okay, there's nothing to understand, not complex. So if you want that people not get confused and exactly find your location, it is in which street or a landmark nearby your office or anything, so you can keep the zoom at a very high, like 14, and they would easily see it. Alright, so now coming to the height. So in height you can extend your map. Okay, make it very large on your website. If I reduce the zoom, you can properly see it. Okay, as you can see, it will appear like this, but if I reduce the height, it would appear like this. So you can set it according to your need. And now if you want to style your map or add some colors or like that, but most people like to leave it default, but if you want, you can do that. You just go to style, click on CSS filters, and here are the options: blur, brightness, contrast, saturation, hue. You can play around these settings and make your map exactly how you wanted it to look. Alright, I'm not going to make any changes, but you can try these options, play with them and find the perfect look you want. So basically this is all about this map. There is nothing very big or nothing like that. You just want to check how it looks on your website. If you want to check how it looks on mobile devices and tablet, as I said in the previous video in Elementor Basics, whose link we'll find right here in the I button, and from here you go to responsive mode and click on mobile. So as you can see, on mobile it would appear like this, and if you click on tablet, it would appear like this, and if you click on desktop, it would appear like this. So it's really handy, and this actually really helpful for someone who has a physical office or a building where people will go and they can meet you and all other stuff like that. So it becomes really handy. If someone visits your website, they can easily find your location, not that you would give your number and someone would call on that and find your location. That would be really difficult, but nowadays by using this, it would be really easy. If a WordPress website, this is really easy. Just go to Elementor, drag the map option, Google Maps element, and you can place your location on your website. So that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any doubt, I don't think you will have any doubt regarding this video, but if you have any, you can leave it in the comment section, and also share this video among those who are in doubt of how to place the location on their website, so they can refer to this video and do it very easily. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, be safe, be happy, and make everyone happy. Bye.